Welcome, fantastic human, to this course on Routine for the Mac. Routine is an all in one productivity app that combines your notes, contacts, journal, tasks, and events into a single space, all centered on note taking. The sidebar contains all these different parts of the app, and it's fully customizable. Allowing you to add and remove features according to how you prefer to work. You can also organize the items based on what you use most. I have notes pinned at the top because I am first a note taker before anything else. Before you get started, you want to change a few settings to personalize your experience. You can choose the theme you want from the app. I always set mine to reflect my systems that way. When I get into dark mode, the app also follows. You can also decide how your time is displayed. Set your working hours. Choose the first day of your week. And turn on spell check. If you like knowing how much you have to do, you can display the number of tasks in your inbox. I prefer not having that much pressure, so I just turn this off. With that, your app is ready for your first work session.